If you've ever left a meeting thinking like, what did we agree on? What is an action point? Yeah, this video is for you. And I've been in the same situation. Sometimes I can't transcribe my own writing notes. Sometimes I could forget some crucial details or information from my teammates. And that's where AI can help you. I know that a lot of people talk about that AI will replace everything, AI can automate everything, but in my opinion, it's not true. The truth is you need to find extremely practical tools like Notetaker. Notetaker use AI, not just transcribing what you say, what your colleagues say, what your clients say, but AI provide you follow-ups, action items, remember stuff, and preparing for next meeting as well. It's really practical and it's really useful. For years, I did my notes during the meeting with my hands, or sometimes I type on my laptop, and it's kind of tricky to make notes, talk with people, remember what he or she said, write down. Sometimes your writing is quite bad because you need to write it fast. And it's quite hard to remember everything from the meeting, but at the same time, it's crucial to remember it. But now, when I prepare for the next meeting or I need to do my task related to the customer, I can just open, if I forget, I can open a notes from my note taker and check follow-ups, check action items, check everything that's relevant for myself for right now. And it's quite fast and it's always online, it's always in the cloud. You can always check and it's quite simple and practical. What makes AI note takers is powerful and must-have tool in your organization. The first one is auto-detected action item. As I mentioned, after the meeting, you have action items that you need to do to the next meeting, maybe to send the email, to send the pricing quote, to send the proposal, and etc, etc, etc. And it's quite powerful. The next one is reminders before next meetings. For example, you have a weekly call with your team or monthly call with your client, and just before the meeting, 1 hour before or 10 minutes before, it's up to you, Note Taker reminds you what you agree on, what was your follow-up, and what the meeting was before, and what an action items you need to do to these meetings. Context from previous meetings. It's the next crucial one. You need to remember, for example, when you meet with your client and you need to remember about, for example, his vacations, it's quite crucial sometimes. You need to remember about reorganization in the company. You need to remember crucial details. And Note Takers reminds you. The next one is search across everything. You can just search bar and type, I don't know, pricing for X company, and Note Taker can find these details in your previous notes. It's basically an assistant who never forget to make notes, and it's not you, and it provides you in a quite structural way your action items, reminders, context, and search. Useful? I think yes. For the last 2.5 years, I tried 15 or maybe 20 note takers. And it's not just an open application and that's it. No, I just used it. I added to my calendar, I added to my meetings and check is it working for me or not. And this is my top 5 list of best note takers. The first one is Fellow. Great collaboration tool, multiple languages, action items, follow-ups, reminders, and etc. It's perfect. I mean, UI UX is great, and yeah, I really recommend it. Please try it. They have free trials and use it. The next one is Otter.ai. Simple, reliable, provides you everything, action items. You can search it like Google. What was the meeting before, what is the next action items, and yeah, quite useful, simple design, and yeah, like it as well. Fireflies.ai. Perfect tool for sales and customers. It connects with your CRM system, provides the same action items. I don't really like the design, but it's up to you, and it's a little bit more expensive than previous ones, but still great tools. The next one is TLDV. Simple, I really like design. You can edit just in 2 clicks and provide timestamps, summary, follow-ups, and etc. Check the pricing, I like it. And the last one is Fathom, the best free option on the market. If you have a small team, please try use it. You can have clean summaries, tasks, easy for sharing. Yeah, try to use. Please try all of them. Maybe you need to try another one and to find your best note taker, because it's kind of, to find your executive assistant. You need to find your personality that can help you, especially for your tasks. If you work in sales, use Fireflies. If you work in teammate collaboration, a lot of stuff, try use Fellow. Find your best solution, try your best fit. Who actually needs a note taker? The first one is founder or an executive. If you jump between endless call and you forget details and you need to remember how to prepare for the next meeting, please use a note taker. Remote teams. If you have weekly or daily calls, if you need to remember what you agree on when you discuss, when you collaborate, use a note taker. If you're in sales or in customer success or in customer support, you live on meetings. You need to remember everything. You need to remember every detail that you get from your customer. Please use it. Freelancing, juggling 3-7 different projects. You have a lot of collaboration with your customers, with your clients, and you need to remember about exact details, what they want, what they mention on the call. And basically everyone who use online meetings a lot, or maybe not a lot, just some time, and you forget details, please install or add your note taker to your laptop and add it to your Google Meet, Zoom, and etc. If meetings drive your business, it can be online or in person, but if it drives your business, AI note takers, the easiest way to get a real ROI from AI. A meeting is not a conversation itself. A meeting is what happens after this conversation. AI note takers make that after part a lot easier and better. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Here would be more AI stuff, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be happy to help you. Bye bye.